Welcome to Nuna Bakes. Today we gonna make a pineapple upside down cake. For this cake, you will need dark sweet cherries, pineapple, melted butter, pecans, brown sugar, a 10-inch pan. Get ready to get messy. This is a sticky cake. You pour the brown sugar into the pan. Then you're going to spread out the sugar in the hands. It feels like clouds. Now I have to wash my hands. The next step, pour in the melted butter. Whoa! This looks like pineapple. I spread it out so it's an even layer. The next one is pecans. Then sprinkle it evenly. The next step is putting on the pineapple. One whole slice of the middle. Just drop it right here. Looks like a donut. It tastes like oranges. There you have it, the upside down cake. The last thing you could add is our delicious white cake batter. If you like to see the recipe and video, check out Luna Baking Basics. It will be called Vanilla Cake. Spread the batter out so it's even. I have to just smooth it for a second there. Then 300 degrees. tip it out of the pan Now it's waiting up. Look at all the delicious toppings. That's delicious! Thank you so much for baking with me today. I can't wait till we bake together again next time on Luna Bake Videos.